Welcome back. In this lecture, we will see the basic interface of Unreal Engine. Here you can see the viewport of Unreal Engine. All the actors which we will place in Property tab in World Outliner will visually shown here. You can also switch to different cameras from here. This is, as you can see, this is perspective view, this is back view, this is right view, this is top view. Just you can see. You can change the camera from here also. You can also select the cinematic view and again to default. Now go back to perspective view. Here you can see content browser of Unreal Engine. So all the 3D objects which we import from other software like Maya, 3ds Max, or the blueprints which we create will shown here. Content browser is just like you can say the organize we used in our computer drives. These are just drives. So if we want to search for specific thing, you can see here. Similarly, here you can see if we select object, all the details relevant to this object will be shown here from in this panel. So it tells us what type of this object is. Just you can see, you can change its location, its rotation. You can also increase or decrease its size. As this mesh is static, we will see in later lecture what is static mesh, what is dynamic mesh. As the material and physics, all these options relevant to this object will be shown here. So this is the world. Here you can see this is the world outliner. Just like you see in Unity, the property tabs, this is world outliner. All objects which are placed here are collectively create a scene, and this collectively called as a whole called world outliner. Next, these are actor. All the objects which we deal with in Unreal Engine are called actors, and actors are basically, you can see, just a character. You can also create a cube, cylinder, plane. Similarly, you can select the cameras of different types. You can also create visual effects, which will be seen in later lectures. Another thing which I want to show you, that is, if there are some objects or there are some options which are very important and which we will use throughout the course. First of all, if you want to orbit around the Unreal Engine viewport, just hold on left mouse key and you can orbit. If you want to move up and down, just you can hold left and right mouse key and move it up and downward. If you want to zoom in, zoom out, just use mouse wheel. You can also use arrow keys You can also hold left mouse button key and you can use WSD keys. Another thing, if you want to place the object on ground, just press the key End key. It will place the object. Also, if you want to scale or rotate, you can use these options. Just select this and you can see you can rotate the object. If you want to scale it, just select it and rotate it. These are also important options. If you want to save your current progress, just click on this and it will save the current progress. We will see the source control later. Modes which we will use when we create our level, when we start building our level. So if you want to create a terrain, just click on this and click on landscape, and you can see it is converted into landscape. And I am just a little bit zoom out. And if you want to go that object which I've selected, focus on, just press F and just select the object. As we are in landscape mode, so it will not go there. If we want to place grass and other things, you can select the foliage mode, which a brush setting and mesh paint. So go to editor mode, just select the cube and press F. You can see it will focus on that object. So as this is not a pure beginner course, you should have basic knowledge about Unreal Engine or any other engine or 3D object. So that's it for this lecture, and I think I suggest you, just before starting the lecture, play around with these objects. See you in next lecture.